Did you know that about 50 million people move around the U.S. every year? That's a lot of U-Box containers and a ton of stuff.
And with all that moving going on, it's time for the U-Box 101 lesson. I want to share with everyone how to get the most out of their U-Box experience.
And JR here is our resident U-Box expert. He literally knows this container inside and out. And there's a fire truck. What's a fire truck doing here?
Well, Nick, you wanted me to show everyone what's so great about the U-Box system. So I thought I'd bring a little help.
Okay. While they're setting up for whatever it is you have up your sleeve, let's take a second and talk about how and why this 8x5 by 7.5 foot storage box has truly revolutionized the moving industry.
Well, first, this box is extremely well designed because we looked at what the competition was offering, and then from the ground up, we built a better box. This box offers 257 cubic feet of interior space and can hold up to 2,000 pounds. And look at how low our floor is, only 6 inches off the ground. So getting things in and out is super easy. Inside, there are 4 tie downs, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. That helps secure your items in place. And we made sure it fits all mattress sizes, even the king you have at home.
And when it comes to security?
When it comes to security, it's your lock, your keys, so just like your car or your front door, you have the key, so only you have the access. So Nick, let me tell you why the U-Box container is better at protecting your belongings than the competition. Now the other guys, you know, the folks with a big white box, the ones that take up way too much space in your driveway and cost way more than U-Box, well, their containers are made with a steel frame construction. Now that may sound good, but no, it's not, and here's why. Imagine their metal box sitting in the sun. It's like an incubator in there. The heat causes condensation, and condensation can cause mold and mildew. Well, that's not good.
But with your pressure-treated, breathable plywood U-Box,
there's no condensation because the wood breathes. So no mold equals no mildew.
And that's a huge plus.
Now, their roll-up front door is not watertight, and that can lead to water leakage. And then, well, your stuff is toast. Our U-Box container has double reinforced edges and is covered in an 18-ounce durable seamless polyvinyl cover. And then it's topped with a molded plastic cap that protects the entire box from any kind of water leakage. And we haven't even mentioned that U-Box is the lowest cost option in the industry that ships to the most places. U-Haul is in every large city and small town across America. The other guys can't do that or say that. Well, Nick, before I show you my fire truck demo we have coming up, and to prove it stays dry inside, I've put a bunch of furniture pads all over the inside of the box. And just to make things a little bit more interesting, I brought some valuables from home, but don't tell my wife.
Yeah, is that your wife's wedding dress?
I have faith in the integrity of the U-Box container, Nicholas, and so should you.
All right, well, I mean, nobody would want any of this stuff getting wet, so let's lock it up, seal it, and prove it.
It's ready to go. All right, Nick, here's the deal. Captain Chris is gonna help me pull off my demo. Captain, thanks for being here.
No problem.
All right, so the plan here is to throw a bunch of water on top of this U-Box container. So, Captain, how many gallons of water are we talking about here?
100 gallons.
I think that's pretty good. I think that's good if we're talking about a nice storm, but what if you had like a huge downpour?
Let's do 200 then.
Ooh, let's make it rain.
Yeah, give it the go, Captain.
Let's fire up the pump.
Okay, JR, this is the moment of truth. Let's crack it open.
Do the honors, my friend. Take a look. Dry, dry, dry. I'm still married.
Everything, the baseball cards, the guitar, the blankets, not a drop.
Everything is dry, just as expected. That's exactly what I was looking for. Nothing, it's all dry. Not a drop in here.
Well, thanks, JR. You guys did a great job. U-Haul Orange stands for quality and integrity, just like it has for the past 70 plus years. So there you go, U-Box by U-Haul for a dry, safe, and secure move. It's always the right move. Thanks, JR.
Anytime.